How to fix if iCloud uploading not working on stuck on your iPhone. And to fix this issue, first make sure that you have internet access and check internet speed. Go to Safari and type fast.com, and here you will find your network speed. The next workaround is tap on settings, scroll down and disable low power mode. If you have already enabled mode, simply disable this feature, low power mode. The next method to fix this issue is tap on settings, tap on your profile icon and tap on iCloud, and here manage account storage, apps using iCloud photos, and iCloud photos sync this iPhone, turn this toggle button on. And also manage account storage, and here make sure that iCloud drive, tap on iCloud drive against change storage plan and go to backup, and if any backup found, simply delete it, remove it. Any backup file you will find, then remove it from your iPhone. The next method is again tap on settings, scroll down, go to general, software update, and if any update available, simply download and install it on your iPhone with iOS latest update. That's all.